Да, пепитра нет.
Мне вообще-то нужен только один кусочек.
Ага, а перец ты уже выучила, да?
Это стой так.
Стою. Сейчас я торжусь и все.
Давай.
Hello guys, I am Anna.
I'm Dasha and this is Anna Language School. Today we're gonna cook pumpkin cake and learn some cooking vocabulary. You might be too old for trick-or-treat, but not too old for a festive-looking dinner at home. And what about making a traditional pumpkin dish? This pumpkin cake recipe is simple and positively perfect.
You will need 400 grams of cut pumpkin, 2 eggs, 120 grams of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 3 tablespoons of oil.
Cut the pumpkin and bake in the oven at 180 degrees for 20 minutes.
While the pumpkin is in the oven, put eggs into a large bowl, add 120 grams of flour and the baking powder. Then add oil and mix it all together.
Remove the pumpkin from the oven. Let it chill for 10 minutes and mash. Then mix all the ingredients and pour the mess into a baking dish and bake it for 50 minutes.
If you aren't a major pumpkin fan, you will be after trying this. You can decorate it with any topic that you wish. This is super easy and fabulous. Try it to impress your family.
If you enjoyed this video, give us likes and subscribe to our channel. Well, see you next videos and stay safe.